Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Road America in Elkhart Lake, Wisconsin for some racing action on Racing America TV.
Dude, I can't see the gauge. Oh my god.
And on the track now, out of Hernando, Florida, in the Kaima Boats, G-Tech Motorsports, at 33 entry, it's Alexander Savage.
This car's on the right side.
Yeah.
So here there's the thing. Don't lift here that soon. Keep going, pushing on the gas. Mid corner, like right around here. Aren't you doing it almost flat?
Yeah, I was like 90% throttle.
Yeah.
But I'm staying close to the white line.
Yeah, you need to stay there.
No, you go middle, and then in the middle of the corner you go like.
I think
Middle, then you tighten on, on the entry.
it's a long corner. If you do this, you're gonna lose too much time into the late apex. I think you're gonna lose too much time with this line.
That's why you're locking them up. So, basically to do it here,
You wanna be at 65, right?
Yeah.
64, 65.
I was thinking.
I want you to tell me if it turns. See the bar? You guys see it? Watch what I'm doing. Is it turning?
Yes.
So in that corner, you brake on the same spot as me. So the braking point's not the problem. You're heavy, you're not having the same. because you was your last lap, was your fastest lap. That's why I said good job on the radio.
Oh, let me look at this. I understand it.
Kind of get on the gas a tad too soon, but then you can't.
I feel like the car was like really like oversteery and like loose, like the whole track. This track is very like technical and it requires a lot of like skill. The wind resistance against the wall, because like in the sim, like against, you know, there's a wall coming up the hill, wall on the pit lane. Is it helpful to go on the other, like in the middle of the track, going up the hill so that you don't get the wind resistance on the wall? Because on the sim it was.
I don't know. It depends on where the wind is. It reduces the drag. Like if there's a wall here, if you're really close, there's less drag. But straight line, it makes any difference.
Yeah. Hey guys, it's Alex Savage, and this is the practice day 1 recap of Thursday at Road America in Wisconsin. It was a really good day. I really like the track. I think this might be my new favorite track, actually. The hospitality is great. They have an awesome gift shop. And again, it's just a really fun, high-speed track. I think that we have a lot to improve. Yeah, it was a good day, and we're hoping for more few days and maybe get a podium. I'm looking forward to practicing qualifying tomorrow. It's gonna be really good. And I want to thank Italo, my coach, my dad, my mechanics, Gary, G-Tech, and everybody who helped. Yeah, so.
No, let's get it in here. Oh. I'm gonna have to steal the airboat off that and place the airboat.
Right. It would still not slow down.
Yeah, slow down. Just not like it would be. It was good. It would be good, but like it's like a little bit more.
And introduce you to the latest car.
Alexander Savage qualifies in the 5th position overall in Gen 1. Race 2 of the Ligier Junior Formula Championship set to begin as drivers make their way to the grid.
Lights out and away they go on the start. The yellow flag is out for Ella White in turn 5 as we have a full course caution here until we can get back underway.
Finishing in the 5th position is Alexander Savage.
Hey guys, I'm Alex Savage and this is the race 2 recap. So it was pretty good. Finished 5th overall. Yeah, it was a good race. Started 5th, finished 5th. Towards the beginning there was a full course yellow which halted everybody, and then in the restart there was some battling which set me back a little bit. It's a quick update. It's a weather delay right now, so we're currently waiting for the lightning to stop. The rain's not the problem, it's the lightning. Every time the lightning strikes, it's another 30-minute delay. So right now, all JFC, F4, and all FR teams are on hold because of weather and waiting out lightning strikes. We're working with track management, advise on possible schedule. So they just texted basically, and they're gonna send us when we're going out, depending on the lightning.